So it's a tortoise, not the hare. It's slow and steady. It's cash only. It's not overextension. There's no loans. There's no partners. There's no mortgages. That's great. It means I can sleep at night. And to answer your question, when it comes to being an owner of a company, I wanted to make sure, just like in The Wizard of Oz, you are going to see eventually what is behind that curtain, what's in the kitchen. And I'd rather be forthright in the beginning. What you see is what you get, compared to smoke and mirrors for when you've invested so much and it's very important that I can't fulfill. And so the only difference between me and Amazon is that they have the deepest of pockets, tons of real estate, advertising like crazy. But in essence, we all share the same labor pool. I match them on their entry level base and benefits. My location sometimes is better for some people. So as I say, what is their advantage? Not much. In essence, to the labor pool, we compete. But through the filtering process, there are some people, Stephen, that would want to make a name for themselves, not want to hide amongst thousands, that want me to delegate, to give them responsibilities, to test them, to see if they're capable. And since I have the luxury of not having to hire thousands, I'm hiring dozens at a shot, I can be more selective, which means I don't cattle call and carpet bomb and just bring them in. We don't do things like that. I like to ask certain specific questions to see if you're a long-term player, man, if you're going to fit with my culture. Because if not, then it's a terrible investment of someone that might jump on you. So that's how I was able to build a business. Checkpoints and slow and steady and bringing in the specialists and making sure that I had the capital to start expanding my team. If not, I was doing most of the stuff. It's almost like a owner of a restaurant that busts the table, cooks, and is a concierge. I never cleaned toilets, but I did a lot of different stuff to be able to help assist and offset the fact that I was lacking certain staff within the first 6 months of the growth of my business.
I think you spoke. I think what you said, and I don't, it wasn't even your main point, but I think it should be, is that it's not glamorous in the beginning. I think so many people, like, they want that executive job. They want that director's job. They want that glamorous job. They want the parking space. They want the salary. They